Hi, what is the value of a, given that you have 5 to the power of a plus 5 to the power of a equals 100? Then let's have it to be solution. So from here, we have this to be common, so we can have here to be 5 to the power of a, open parenthesis, this divided by this, we have 1, plus this divided by this, we have 1, equals 100. Then from here, we have here to be 5 to the power of a multiplied by 1 plus 1 will give us 2 equals 100. So from here, let's divide through by 2. So we're going to have 5 to the power of a equals 100 divided by 2 will give us 50. Then from here we have 5 to the power of a equals, we can have 50 as the product of 5 times 10, but let's put them in parentheses. So having done this one, we want to get the possible value of a. We can introduce log to both sides by taking the log 5 to the power of a equals log 5 times 10 as this. So from here, let us know that this power a will come down to base, because when we have log p to the power of m, this power m will come down to base as m multiplied by log p. Again, when we also have log a times b in parentheses, equivalent as when we have log a plus log b. So from here we are going to have a multiplied by log 5 equals log 5 plus log 10. So from here, we have this to be a log 5 divided by log 5 equals log 5 divided by log 5 plus log 10 divided by log 5. So from here, this, we cancel this, we have a to be equals, this one divided by this will be 1. So here will be 1 plus log 10 divided by log 5. So we have a to be equals 1 plus log 10 can be simplified as 5 times 2, again divided by log 5. So we have a to be equals 1 plus log 5 plus log 2 divided by log 5. So we have a to be equals 1 plus this divided by this will be log 5 divided by log 5 plus log 2 divided by log 5. So this will be a equals 1. This divided by this again will be plus 1 plus this. Let us recall that when we have log a divided by log b equals as when we have log of a in base b. So when we apply this one here will be log 2 in base 5. So this will now be equals a equals 1 plus 1 will give us 2 plus log 2 in base 5. So this is the final answer for the value of a. Then to check, we have 5 to the power of a plus 5 to the power of a equals 100. Then we have our a to be equals this. Let's substitute it here and see if it will give us the given problem. So we have 5 to the power of 2 plus log 2 in base 5 plus 5 to the power of 2 plus log 2 in base 5. Then is it going to give us 100? So we have this 2 times to be repeated twice. So we can have it as 5 to the power of 2 plus log 2 in base 5 multiplied by 2. Then it's going to give us 100. So from here we have 5 to the power of 2 multiplied by 5 to the power of log 2 in base 5, then multiply by 2, then it's going to give us 100. So 5 to the power of 2 will give us 25, multiply by 2, multiply by 5 to the power of log 2 in base 5, then it's going to give us 100. So we have 25 times 2 will give us 50, multiplied by 5 to the power of log 2 in base 5. Then it's going to give us 100. So from here, let us recall that when we have a to the power of log b in base a, so far they have the same base, the output will be equals b. So when we apply a, the same base as this, the output will be equals 2. So we are going to have 50 times 2, which equals 100. So 2 times 0 will give us 0. 2 times 5 will give us 10, equals 100. So since a equals 2 plus log 2 in base 5, satisfy the problem given to us. So 5 to the power of a plus 5 to the power of a equals 100. So this is correct. So if you are new here and find this video interesting, don't forget to share, like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more math tutorial videos. Bye bye.